In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the beehiiv API. To get started, log into your beehiiv account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the settings option there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where beehiiv keeps the main account and workspace configuration options, so if you ever need to manage back-end features or account-level tools, this is usually the place to begin. After opening settings, direct your attention to the left-hand pane. You should see a menu with different sections. From that menu, click on API. This section is specifically where beehiiv handles API-related access and setup. If you're looking to connect beehiiv with another platform, automate certain actions, or work with developer tools, this is the area you'll need. Once you're on the API page, you'll see an option labeled Start Stripe Identity Verification. Click that button to continue. This step is important because beehiiv requires identity verification before granting access to the API. It's a security measure designed to protect your account and make sure API access is only given to verified users. From here, complete the identity verification process. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Depending on your region or account type, the verification flow may ask for standard identity confirmation details. Make sure the information you submit is accurate and matches your official documents, so the process goes as smoothly as possible. Also, take your time while completing this step, since errors or mismatched details can slow things down. After your identity is successfully verified, you'll be able to access your beehiiv API. At that point, you can move forward with whatever integration or setup you need. If the API access doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time and refresh the page, since some account updates can take a short while to process. And that's it. That's how to access the beehiiv API. As a quick recap, you go to Settings in the bottom left, open the API section from the left-hand menu, click Start Stripe Identity Verification, and then complete the verification process to unlock access. If you're following along on your own screen, just take it one click at a time and you should be able to get through it without any trouble.